Today is Tuesday, 13 October 2020, Singapore, about 11:30 a.m. This is a small garden. I'm doing a video on lady's fingers. Now you can see these are the fruits of the lady's fingers. There's a small one here, and there is the big one here, and this is the old fruit which the gardener wants to use as a seeds later on to grow more plants of lady fingers. These are the leaves of the lady fingers, and as you can see, there's another one here. This plant is not really very healthy, as the soil is not really that good, so the leaves are really very small. Now I'll show you the lady fingers plant. Look at the leaves. It is really large, about maybe 50 times larger than the one you saw just now, because the soil is fertile. You see here, and that is the flower of a very big, healthy lady fingers plant. Probably a small flower, and as you can see, this plant is really grown on good soil, and I presume these yellow flowers are lady fingers flowers, or are they bitter gourd flowers, because these plants are said to be bitter gourd plants here, and I think the flowers are yellowish. So this one, this light yellow flower looks more like the lady fingers flower. As the plant is a lady fingers plant. I shall stop now. This is just a video and document that lady finger plants are really big if they are grown on fertile soil. Although the leaves here looks like mottled, spotted. There's something wrong here. I just stop now. Today is Tuesday, October 13th, 2020, Singapore. Documentary on lady finger plants.